Hi everyone, warmly welcome to englishteacher.lk. Are you a coffee lover? Or are you a coffee fan? Or coffee bonna asa kenekda? Ehenang මේ video එක ඔයාට තමයි. So today in this video what we are going to learn is the different types of coffee that we have. So the first is what we call an espresso. මේ espresso එකක් කියන්නේ coffee වල තියෙන base ම form එක. ඒකට මේ espresso එකේ තියෙන්නේ coffee සහ water. අපි මේකට කියන්න පුළුවන් one shot කියලා නමුත් වෙන මුකුත් shot එකක් නෙමෙයි coffee shot එකක්, right? Then our second type is what we call Americano. එතකොට මේ Americano එකේ තියෙන්නේ coffee plus water. එතකොට මේ espresso එකට සාපේක්ෂව Americano එකේ water quantity එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි. Our next type is what we call Latte, right? දැන් මේ latte එකේ තියෙනවා අපිට milk form සහ water. Milk form කියලා කියන්නේ පෙන. Then we have something called cappuccino. So cappuccino එකේ සහ latte එකේ තියෙන වෙනස තමයි අපේ latte එක පොඩ්ඩක් light. ඒ කියන්නේ latte එකේ තියෙන milk quantity එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි. Then the last type of coffee that you are going to learn for the day is called Mocha. දැන් මේක mocha කියලා නම් නෙමෙයි pronounce කරන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ mocha, right? Cafe mocha. Then cafe mocha, this is personally my favorite type of coffee as well. මේකේ අඩංගු වෙනවා espresso, milk form සහ chocolate syrup. So having learned the different types of coffee, now let's learn the way of how you can order a coffee. So now your barista would ask you, barista කෙනෙක් කියලා කියන්නේ the person who serves you coffee at a coffee shop. පාට coffee එක දෙන එක නේ එහෙම නැත්නම් coffee එක හදන කෙනාට අපි කියනවා barista කියලා. So your barista would ask you, what would you like to have or what would you like to order? ඔයා මොනවද බොන්න කැමති? එතකොට ඔයාට උත්තරේ දෙන්න පුළුවන් I think I'll have an espresso. Or you can say I would like to have an espresso. Then your barista would also ask you, would you like to have anything else? Then maybe you can say I think I'll also have a cafe mocha. So I hope that you were able to learn something new from this video, and do not forget to comment your favorite type of coffee in the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment and share. I'm Dilmi Paranawitharana from englishteacher.lk.